Ever wonder why your amazing gas grill sometimes just doesn't deliver? Maybe the heat is totally uneven or the flame suddenly sputters. Welcome to PartsFe. The secret to consistent, safe outdoor cooking isn't just your burners. It's a small but mighty component called the gas grill pressure regulator, and it's the unsung hero you need to understand. This vital part is the link between your high-pressure propane tank and your grill, taking that powerful gas flow and safely reducing it to a steady, suitable pressure for your burners. By doing this, the regulator not only ensures you get consistent heat distribution for perfectly cooked food, but, more importantly, it prevents dangerous issues like gas leaks and uncontrolled flare-ups, keeping your backyard BBQ safe and fun. Components like the internal diaphragm constantly adjust to maintain that perfect pressure, while the vent ensures any excess pressure can safely escape. If you notice symptoms like very low flames, uneven heating, or even excessive yellowing in your fire, your regulator might be faulty. But keeping this part in shape is easy. Perform a regular visual inspection for any kinks or cracks in the hose, and always do the famous gas leak soap test. Apply soapy water to all connections, and if you see bubbles, shut the gas off immediately and fix it. Don't let this crucial component ruin your next cookout. Understanding its function is essential for both performance and safety. For trusted commercial gas grill replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com USA, UK, and Canada. And be sure to check out our blog, Understanding the Role of Gas Grill Pressure Regulators, on PartsFe.com. Follow us on social media for more expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.